We're going to Boqueron.
We're going to Boqueron. Sounds like it's a pretty cool place to check out. Kind of a little bit of a party town. So we got about 5 miles to go. We'll get up here, we'll drop the anchor, relax, and maybe make a Bahama Mama on the boat, and then head in. I'm making my little drink. So here's a little bit of rum. Put the rum in there.
Not doing a virgin?
Boom. I'm not doing a virgin. You know my banana in there? Coconut cream. Goes right back in here. Little Bahama Mama. All right, we're waiting for Martin to get back in a little bit. We're gonna head to town, check it out.
Hey, Dad, what do you love about Puerto Rico so far?
America.
That looks good.
All right, kids. We got what do we got here? We got a little margarita pizza.
Margarita pizza goes, this is like a 7.3. One bite, Daddy-o. One bite, everyone knows the rules.
Oh, crunch.
I'm going 6.5. It's a
Okay.
six. It's a 6. It's got good fresh stuff on it, but their sauce lacks oregano and salt.
Yep. I would say that's accurate.
Everybody in Puerto Rico can sing, except us. Like, not us. That's the sickest karaoke I've ever seen. That's it for tonight. Boqueron's cool. Have a great night.